Hi guys, we finally got the bikes ready and covered. We found the bike covers. Babe, where are we heading?
Death Valley.
Death Valley. I love it.
Follow the rain.
While we were getting the bikes ready on the rack, it was raining the entire time. And then once we found the actual cover that I needed for my electric bike, it stopped raining and the sun came out. So,
Good job.
yeah, that's it. To be continued. Made it. Death Valley. It's so dead. Bikes are still secure. Jeep looks great. We're gonna do Price Canyon. And it's around 50 degrees, not bad. Walk a little bit before it rains. Hello! Oh! Cool rocks, guys. This rocks.
Babe, watch out.
Stop! Spirit of the rock.
Sure, bro.
Okay, we're here. The ranch at Death Valley at Oasis. We can go check inside. So we have it's raining, but we got the 270 set up. And we have our bikes parked here for now. We covered. Put the gazebo. We have some seating, and I'm gonna go. Okay, we got some chula, crispy onions, and beef. Set this up, and let's see what happens next. Hey guys, the meat is looking great with the onions. Now we're gonna start with some garlic. We're gonna use paper plates, so we can just throw it away. Alrighty, tidy. The rain picked up. Let's eat, bro. How's it going, Bob?
Great.
Great.
Death Valley.
Death Valley
The most dry place in the world
and hottest.
and hottest, and it's pretty rainy.
And it's 50 degrees. Actually close to 60. And it's raining. And there's a lot of people here. So we're gonna have a fun new year. Hopefully we can bike tomorrow on the bike route. That's the plan. Okay, we're also gonna set up a little movie. Movie screen. Thanks to my husband for giving me this awesome poncho blanket. Okay, one. Yeah, our eProco set up with our iPad and projector screen, and we also have this motion sensor that we got attached to that Evo slide. Our screen is ready, and Honey is making Polish tea. Whoa! morning.
Good afternoon. Last day.
How does it feel, babe, to get a rooftop tent at your age?
It feels amazing. But we need lift.
We need a lift. Good morning, Death Valley. Look alive.
Yeah. Survive.
So this is our new bike called the Lyric Cycle. It has a colored screen with 9 different speeds. You get 2 battery packs that can take us up to 80 miles and up to how many miles per hour? 25? Anyways, we got 2 battery packs, and we have our new lock system, anti-theft. So called the A-Bus. Show you how to use that later. Legs. 2 people can sit on here. So there's a lock for each battery pack. Lock, unlock. Okay, with the power button here. Okay. Push it in. Once it's in, grab your key and lock it in. That number matches with that. Lock it all the way. And then you also have a Velcro strap to support it. Just in case, you know how gravity is. And we're ready to ride. We made it to the Furnace Creek Visitor Center with our e-bikes. Alright, so if you didn't know, there's a bike path here at Death Valley, and it'll take you from the campground to Furnace Creek Visitor Center and all the way down. So let's try this. It's so fun, but it's really cold right now. Cold! Jump, baby, jump.
Cold, it's freezing. I think it's like -degree. Yeah.
And we made some more garlic fried rice. And now we're making some tuna. Yum. Yum. Oh, yay. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. What you got there for me, Bob?
New Year's shot.
New Year's shot. And those are a video that we're watching. Some violent movie. New Year's shot. All right. Ow. So we got this from Trader Joe's. Pretty good. Happy New Year's Day. Happy New Year's Day. Zabriskie Point. So we are now back at the Badwater Basin, but here we have a lake that was formed during the rainstorm, so we'll be checking that out. Lots of people, but it's still really cool to walk on. Very salty. Duh, saltwater basin. Babe, come back. Watch your step. is murky here. If I just walk fast enough. I made it! I made it! Don't forget to like and subscribe.